Hi theorists, Neil here again, and I want to welcome you back to another one of our cherry bomb trades for this April 14th, 2020. We're going to be heading right over into our simulated trading platform. And remember, we're doing this because we're putting our theories of option trading and investing to the test in an environment that is almost exactly like a real trading environment. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, hit that subscribe button, and here we go. We're going to hop over into the platform. So we are looking at the ThinkOrSwim platform, particularly when you see this gold PM here, we're looking at paper money, right? So they give you, or they loan you fake money, paper money, and you get to invest with it. So I want you to think of this as money that's been given to you to invest for a dear friend, right? So we can see with our monitor tab open and the activity and positions sub tab open, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. Yesterday, I did a recap of last week's trades. So we do those on Mondays. If you're interested, you can go back and check out yesterday's recap. Today, we're going to be putting a trade on following, of course, the cherry bomb trades, which in the description below, you will find a link to sign up for Tasty Trades email blast. They release an email for 5 days a week, 4 of which contain trades and the logic behind the trades. You'll get them before my videos come out because I want to encourage you to subscribe to those email blasts, right? Okay, so today's cherry bomb involves using futures, which sometimes it's about once a week that they'll try futures. And you have to get those enabled in your simulated trading account, okay? You do that using this support chat feature here, and you can do this on mobile as well. I actually did mine through mobile and asked to have your futures trading, options on futures enabled for your paper money account, and they'll get back to you maybe even faster because when I was doing mine, it was right at the beginning of this downturn. All right, with that said, we can see here that bonds have come up quite a bit, and now they seem to be bouncing around a bit. So today's trade is going to involve a neutral strategy where we're going to pick a range in which we believe that the bonds will stay, right? So we're going to go over to the Analyze tab and the Add Simulated Trades sub-tab. We're going to open up the June with 38 days as of this recording to expiration contracts. We're going to be putting on an iron condor with a put that is at the 172. So I'm going to right click the bid for the 172, go to Analyze Sell, carefully come over to iron condor, and it's going to put down in our Analyze Trade section here, or Simulated Trade section, our trade. So I don't want a $1 wide. I want to reinsure myself at the 170. Okay, and then the call side, we're going to go up to 182, I believe, is the short call. 182. And then 184 is the reinsurance. So they're $2 wide strikes on each side, which gives us this credit here. And we're going to go look at our risk profiles. It's always good, especially when you're new traders, but it makes me feel good to look at these kind of things too still. So I go to risk profile. I know what an iron condor is generally going to look like, but with ThinkOrSwim, you can really come in and place down your break evens, right? You're receiving a credit to take this risk. And that credit gives you some additional width of this range, right? Before you break even. So yes, you'd love it to stay between here and here, right? Because look at expiration. This blue line up here says, well, you could make that much at expiration. The purple line is right now, and it also takes into account not just time, but also volatility. It can change the shape of this curve. So with that said, I'm going to go over here, click on Set Slices, at break even, at expiration, all right? And of course, we got to get the date right. So if you're like, wow, this is amazing, always come here and look, because this right here, this lighter gray area, is the standard deviation, where it's expected to move. Yeah, that's 4 days from now. It's not that far. So we're going to go over here to May 15th, and we can see now that our probability is roughly 54% that we're going to be staying within this range. So You can see it's slightly skewed. We're not right in the middle of this iron condor, so you could say that we are slightly bearish on bonds right now with this particular position. So I'm going to right click this order here, and I'm going to choose confirm and send, and we see that our max possible profit is $578, and our max possible loss is $1,421, or 22 if we want to round up. So this is the kind of thing where you have to consider, all right, you know, yes, they give you $100,000 to trade within your margin account here in paper money. But if this were a real situation, because I really want you to eventually gain the confidence, paper trading, to do this with your real dollars and cents, is this the right size for you? Right? Is risking the loss of $1,400 a little much for your account size? Is that over, let's say, 5%? Because I definitely subscribe to the tasty trade mechanic of trade small and trade often. And only you are going to know if this number right here, max loss, is going to be a number that's too big or just right. Okay? So definitely don't recommend going over 5% in any one trade. If you can stick to the 1 to 3% in any trade, that is the recommendation via the tasty trade approach, as I'll call it. So because this is simulated trading and I'm okay with this and I can watch this, I'm going to hit send, and it's futures, so we're going to see how quickly this fills. That quickly. So we are now in the bond market, my friends. And we'll keep an eye on that. Head over to the monitor tab. It's not in the working orders because it's filled, right? And apparently we've already made 2.6%, 15 bucks. All right, that's fantastic. Okay, so that could change, of course, at any second. Even before I close this video, it might go the other direction. But if you like this sort of thing, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me know that you enjoy this sort of thing. Also, hitting that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hey, go ahead and hit that thumbs down. This is the real world, right? Tell me what you think, though. If you don't like it, what did I miss? What did you need that I didn't do? So I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb. Be well.